landfill, then instead immediate action to notify the community that rights property, permitting the continuous disposal of land, or warn the neighboring community of the residents of the location of its site, cause the death of the world. Do you understand it? Have you understood? Being person is there the responsibility for the safe and proper maintenance of operations by the service of brush and medical sites, not amounting manslaughter, to which continue to operate details waste management site without relevant permits and licenses, paying state immediate action when notified of any state and right and property, permitting the complete disposal of large volumes of waste and
ate no idi wa kitongole muno era bikuwayo amaanyi alampandikiza
agenze wali
Eggulo bampadde live view atugende na mirembe ate na mirembe terina kyobaka
bawongeddeyo biki ebifudde mu kkooti
si birungi n'akatono nga madamu waffe mukyala Dorothy Kisaka ne banne basindikiddwa luzira ku misango egyekuusa ku kiteezi naye nga ffenna tukimanyi bulungi nti kiteezi tetandise kati bagiwandikako ripooti 2015 2016 naye gavumenti yaffe teyafaayo okulaba nga enoonya ettaka n'essaawa ya leero bakyanoonya ettaka lyakuteeka kaabo kateekako kasasiro so si kyabwenkanya gavumenti okwejjako obuvunaanyizibwa bwayo oba emisango gyayo n'esaddaaka abantu abali innocent. Kino kinuma kubanga nti gavumenti yeragajjalira abantu bano baze basaba ssente mu parliament senate bazibawa baagala bakozese ki kiringa omuntu okumuteeka mu office n'otamuweereza bikozesebwa oyagala akole ki naye olwokuba nti gavumenti eyagala erungi ebeera ennungi mu maaso g'abannayuganda n'esalawo esadaake abantu abasatu naye ng'ate babadde balina basupervisa baminisita baliwo mu musango guno naye n'okwata abantu abatalina musango n'obasaddaaka olw'okuba mwe gavumenti mwagala kulaga kifaananyi kirungi ekintu ekikikyamu ennyo bannayuganda abali eyo nga muli mu ofiisi za gavumenti nammwe mulinde olwammwe kubanga kino ekituuse wano olwaleero nga mu butuufu byonna bye bakola ng'olaba ddala nga baagala kusindika bannaabwe eruzira.
Causing death by rush or medical act, over section 2010, the petitioners are Chisakachi Mutaboroni, Wilbur Sanders, Dr. Okero Gandhi Island, and others still at large between July 2020, 10th August 2024, at various places within Kampala City and at President Lusanga Village, Kitwezi Ward, Asanga County Council, Wakiso District, being persons bearing responsibility for the safe and proper management of operation by the sales of brush and medical facts, not amounting to manslaughter, to which continue to operate details waste management site without relevant permits and licenses, paying to close strong commission to landfill without the relevant paying to take immediate action when notified of any danger to life and property, permitting the continued disposal of land qualities of waste and landfills despite receiving clear and obvious warning for the living disaster. Failure to cause an evacuation or warn the neighboring community of any danger of evacuation of the site cause the death of David, have you understood? Was it Dr. Okero Gandhi Island? Have you understood? Is it true? Count 5. Manslaughter, under sections 170 subsection 1 and 173 of the Penal Code Act. And the particulars are Isaka Wilbur Sanders, Dr. Okero Gandhi Island, and others still at large between July 2020 and 10th August 2020 at various places within Kampala City and at today's landfill, Sanya Village, today's Ward, Kasanga County Council, and Kiso District, being persons bearing responsibility for the safe and proper management of operation of today's landfill by the sales running as for omission to which and continue to operate today's waste management site without the relevant permits and licenses. Failing to close, stop the commission to today's landfill. Failing to take immediate remedy action when notified of any danger of life or property. Permitting to dispose of that volumes of waste at the landfill despite receiving clear and ambiguous warning of the disaster. Failure to cause an evacuation or warn the neighboring community of any danger to the potential public's life, cause the death of Chirone Shamora. Have you understood? Is it true? It's not true. Kalinda cited, have you arrested? Is it true? Doctor, have you had an